Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be guiding you through the complete installation of Windows Server 2025 inside Hyper-V. In the previous video, we created the virtual machine and attached the ISO. Now, we'll focus only on the operating system installation itself, step by step. Let's get started. Choose Custom. Install Windows Only, Advanced. This is a clean install to our virtual disk. On the first screen, confirm language to install, time and currency format, and keyboard layout. I'm leaving these at defaults. Click Next, then choose Install Now. Select the edition you need. For labs and a full desktop UI, choose Data Center Desktop Experience. For a leaner, command line only footprint, choose Server Core. I'll pick Data Center Desktop Experience. Click Next. Select the unallocated space for your virtual disk. You can partition manually, but the default is perfectly fine for most scenarios. Click Next, and Windows will create the required system partitions automatically. Windows is now copying files, installing features, and applying updates. This step takes a few minutes, and the VM may restart several times. That's normal, just let it run. While we wait, quick tips. If you plan to use this server for roles like Active Directory, Hyper-V, or file services, consider sizing your VM with more RAM and storage than this demo. Also, keep your ISO and host updated for best performance and security. Once setup wraps up, we'll land on the password creation screen. Now set a strong administrator password. It must meet complexity, uppercase, lowercase, number, and a special character. Type it in and press Finish or Enter. You'll see the lock screen. In the Hyper-V console, go to Action, Control-Alt-Delete to unlock. Enter the administrator password you just set and sign in. Welcome to the Windows Server 2025 desktop. Server Manager opens automatically. This is your hub for adding roles and features, configuring networking, and managing the server. At this point, confirm that the time zone and keyboard are correct and that the network is connected. In the next video, we'll handle initial configuration, rename the computer, join a domain or workgroup, Windows Update, and install roles like ADDS or Hyper-V. And that's the full OS install, clean, simple, and ready for configuration. If this helped, drop a like, share it, and subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.